Good morning, everyone. I'm in the mood for bookmarks this week, I guess. Yes, I did the clover leaf, but on Friday I did a bookmark, and then I put a little watercolor on some watercolor paper. I like this blues and greens, and I put some sparkly gold on there, and it just makes me happy. And I'm going to do two bookmarks, one today and one for Friday. And we're just going to take another ribbon tangle out of this box of ribbon tangles from Alina. That one for today and this one for Friday. I've already picked them. Should we look at them? Should we look at them both, or should I just do the one? This was the one for today, right? That is not a ribbon tangle. That is not a ribbon. That's not a ribbon. I'm not sure how I would do that. Not sure how I would do that on a ribbon. Okay, maybe that's the reason I was drawn to pulling two today. Look, that one's a ribbon. This one's more of a grid. Some of them are grids. This one's more of a ribbon. We can do this on a bookmark. All right, we're going to do this one on a bookmark. And this one's called Irkri. So we're going to come up and we're going to make stems with like lollipops on the end. All the way up as far as we want. And then on that stem, we're going to put a little triangle right there, and then some little leafy shapes. And then after we do the little leafy shapes, we're going to aura that a couple of times and then put a little circle on the top. And then once we've done that, then on the bottom edge, we're going to keep going until it fills in this spot. Just on the bottom edge, this top part is already full. We're just going to make it full and flat, full and fat and fluffy. That's what we're going to do. Because it's on watercolor and I have this sparkle, I know that my micron pens are not going to work. My multi-liners. Even my regular microns aren't going to work. I'm going to need a PN pen, so I'm going to dig through my PNs and decide which color I want to use. Make sure I'm getting a PN and not an 05. I've got a lot of 05s in here. I have a PN, I've got a pink PN. I don't think that'll show up. I have a brown PN. I've got a purple PN. Oh, I've got that dark blue. I think that would be good. Got a red. All of these pens are older, and I'm afraid they're going to be dried up. Okay. Let's use the dark blue. It will look like black, which is fine. We're just gonna go for it. Okay. Zoom out a little bit. You're a little close. There we go. Now you can see the whole thing. I'm gonna start here. something like that. And then these each get a little V shape. Bottom of this stem. Like that. Then we're going to do something like that on each one of these. That. And then we keep filling in till we get to the top where it's going to need a little dot. So let's see. One more maybe. Like that. Does that look right? That looks right. Something like that. And then we fill in the bottom side with feathering. Like that. That. Fill it all in. Just like that. Just like that. I'm getting a bunch of fuzz on the end of my pen. I gotta go wipe that off. This is why I didn't want to use a fine liner, and I wanted to use the PN. The PN has a plastic nib, so it doesn't have that tube that will get clogged. It's very important to know what your different art supplies will do on different types of paper, and I knew that this paper was going to create a fuzzy thing, being as how it's the watercolor. So for sure I needed a different pen. Like that. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. Look at what that looks like. Do I need shading? I'm not sure that I do. It's kind of IRKRI. IRKRI. Put that in my calendar. Do I want a little bit of shading? If I do shading, I can't do it with graphite because that will look funny on the watercolor paper. So think maybe I'll do just a little with maybe a metallic pencil. The metallic darker blue, I think, maybe. Just a little bit, right like that, along the stem. Thinking maybe I'll go ahead and do either a gold or a silver for my let's put a gold in here. It'll go with the gold that I already have on the page. Make those, both those dots gold. This one and that one. Like that. And then perhaps a dot of the bright blue. It's like a highlight. Usually I would do that with white, but I don't think white is the right color. Not sure I like that, but I've done it, so I'm going to do it on all of them. not sure I like that. So we're going to go back to white. Come on, give me some color. Sometimes that paint doesn't come out of the paint pen. Oh, it's creating a blob. Oh, catch it quick before it makes a bad mark. Did you see that blob coming? Where was I on screen? That whole blob was coming out of my pen. Ah, that was awful. Okay. I almost had a disaster. Okay, that's better. I covered up that blue that I didn't like. That's better. All right. See, I've got some gold in there. That came out good. Came out all right. I'm happy with it. It's a perfect one to gift to somebody. And then that's that came out about right. I think I've got a little more. I didn't get skinny enough fast enough. I needed, well, I don't have enough room there to get bigger anyway, so that's good. Exactly like that. All right. You guys have a good day. I will see you on the next video on Friday, where I will pull another card from the magic box here. And we will do the other half and see what kind of thing we can come up with here. I will need to keep this pen around. What did I do with that pen I was using? Where did I put it? Did I put it in my drawer? I've lost it. I will have to find it. Oh yeah, it's right there. Maybe I won't use that one. Maybe I'll use something else. I'll find something to draw with. All right, you guys have a blessed day. I will see you guys on the next video. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place. I'm going to do one more drawing today, and then I think I'm going to clean my studio. It's a beautiful day, and I can take everything out and reorganize and then put it all back in. I think I'm going to do that. All right, you have a blessed day. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.